Good morning guys, it's Technical Gyani here and today I'm going to conduct a quiz of weavers, iron smelters and factory owners, and that will be MCQ, and at last I will be giving you a comment question for which you will giving me answer in the comment section. I will be saying and voting. Okay, British came to be known as the first question. So this question is from the book and this chapter is also from the history book. Okay, let's start. Workshop of India, Workshop of England, Workshop of World, or the Workshop of Galaxy. So the correct answer is Workshop of the World because it looted India, British looted India by their policies and many other things, and that is why they were called the Workshop of the World. Okay, the word calico is derived from which word? Kolkata, Calicut, Kashmir, or Cashew? Kolkata is a city and Calicut is also a city in the south, but it's now not Calicut, something other called. So the answer is Calicut, as Calico is derived from Calicut. Okay, in 1730, how many pieces of cloth were ordered? There are four options, and the answer is 5,89,000. And these orders were from the British, and these pieces of clothes were made by the Indians. Who invented the spinning jenny? So let me explain you about the spinning jenny. This is a spinning jenny which can make 100 pieces of cloth at one time, and a man is required to operate it. Okay, let's see who invented it. John Carey, Joker Johnny, John Kay, or John Spin. So the correct answer is John Kay. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Tipu Sultan's sword was made by which steel? Tata steel, wood steel, red steel, or forged steel? The answer for this question is wood steel. Which was the one of the finest ore on the world? Ranihara Hills, Rajhara Hills, Hira Hills, or Hiri Hills? So the correct answer is Rajhara Hills. So let's move to the next question. Comment question. Tell the answer in the comment question that how did the Tisco become the biggest steel industry within the British Empire? So let's move forward. Well, nothing is that. Thank you. And please like, subscribe my video, and please share it if you can. Thank you.